Yeah, look at them all lean in as they want to hear this story. It starts out sickeningly sweet. I was in a musical, Cinderella, and I was Cinderella. And the guy who played the prince and I started to date. And we got pretty serious, and then he was trying to get rid of an ex who kept bothering him, and so he decided to come to Japan to teach English, and all during the summer, we had plans, I would come and visit, and all that kind of stuff. We were really excited about it, and he was a model at the agency, and at the same agency where I was an actor, and so we had the same agent. He went to Japan and was teaching. We were writing back and forth, looking forward to seeing you, all that kind of stuff. And I was having lunch with my agent one day and telling her that I had started taking Japanese and I had been planning out my trip and I was very excited about this whole thing. And she says, JJ, I don't know how to tell you this. And I'm thinking, oh my God, what? And she says, yeah, Richard's ex-girlfriend flew out to Japan and they got married.
Oh my God.
Married. And
so, no.
Wow. Yeah.
How did you feel?
It's like I needed a ladder to get on a piece of paper, really. I mean, it was a devastating, that first broken love kind of thing, but.
Did you hear from him afterwards?
Yeah. We were always just friends, apparently. Yeah, and so not only the adding the insult to the industry. Is that what I meant to say? Insult to injury was him saying that we were always just friends.